Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I want to show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and from the boot options choose power off and confirm it. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button, and after a moment you will feel the vibration which indicates that the device is turning on. When you feel that, right away start holding your volume up, and you can also let go of the power button. So I'm gonna do that right now. Power button, vibration, volume up. This takes us to the boot mode. In here, using only volume up, you want to select recovery mode, which is, I need to actually bring it closer as the text is absolutely tiny. So it's the first option. And you can hopefully see it right now. So there's a little arrow right here, and when you press volume up, it navigates down. So just make sure that it is at the very top right, like it is for me right now, and then press volume down to confirm it. Give it a moment, and this will now reboot us and take us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you can use both volume buttons to navigate, so volume down goes down and up goes up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. Also have fastboot mode in here, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off. In any case, I'm going to select the first option and now I'll confirm it. And like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.